Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So today I am here with another video, and in this video I will be showing you how to do the open shell stitch. So this is the yarn that I will be using today. So this is a leftover yarn that I previously used in another video, and this is the Bernard Softy Chunky. You can use any yarn of your choice to practice on, or you can even use scrap yarn as well. So I have my 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. This is the hook that I will be using today to show you how to make this stitch. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and to my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much guys. So let's jump in the video. So guys, to begin, we will start off by making a slip knot. So you can make your slip knot however you chooses how to do it, however you feel comfortable in making your slip knot. So I am just going to insert my hook, wrap it around, pull up a loop, and pull through. Now that I have my slip knot, I will be chaining 33. So to make your open V-stitch, you need multiples of 7 plus 5 to start your foundation. So you can chain 26 plus 5, or you can chain 28 plus 5, so multiples of 7. So I'm just going to go ahead and chain up my 33, and once I'm at 33, I will meet back up with you. So now I have come to the end of making my 33 chains, and this is what it looks like. So moving along, so to start our first row will be just V's, V stitches going across. So what you're going to do is you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th stitch here, you're going to yarn over and make a double crochet. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And this counts as 1 double crochet plus chain 1. Now you are going to go ahead and chain 4 for a separation chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You are going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the 7th stitch, you are going to make a V stitch there. So you're making your first double crochet. So that's 1. Now you're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, and make another V. And that completes our second V there. And if you're wondering why this V is so small and this one is so big, it's because this one will be our corner stitch there, and these one will be in the middle, so this one has to be bigger. So now you're going to chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the 7th stitch, you're going to yarn over and make a double crochet. Chain up 3, yarn over, go back into that same stitch, and make another double crochet. And that completes our third V, I should say there. Moving along, chain up 4, count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, into the 7th stitch, you're going to yarn over and make your double crochet. So that's our first V, chain up 3, go back into the same stitch and complete your V. Now we have 7 stitch remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the 7th stitch, you're going to yarn over and make a V, which will be your corner V. So that's 1 double crochet, you're going to chain 1, go back into that same stitch and complete your V. And that completes row 1 here. Now moving along, you will chain up 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and this row will be our shell row. So you're going to yarn over, and into that chain 1 space here, you're going to put 3 double crochet. It's 1, 2, and 3. So now that you have your 3 stitch there, you are going to make a single crochet into our chain 4 space. So insert your hook under. So you're not going to go into the stitches, you're going to go under and make a single crochet. Now that you have make your single crochet there, you're going to yarn over and you're going to put 7 double crochet into this shell here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is what your shell should look like. Now moving along, you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to go under and make a single crochet. And then put 7 double crochet in this shell. And you're going to continue doing that until you get to your corner shell there, which is your corner V. And I will meet you back there. So now I have come to my last shell here, and for our last shell we will be doing 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now that we do our first 4 double crochet there, that matches up with our first one that we did here, because our chain our chain 3 counted as a double crochet plus we had 3 double crochet here, so that completes the corner part here. So if you notice that your work looks a little bit wonky, don't worry about it. It will even out, and it will get firmer as you go along into your rows. So technically, to do the open shell stitch, it's like a 2-row repeat. So now we did the shell here, we will be going back to this part that we did here. So to do this part now is you're going to go ahead and chain up 1, 2, 3, 4, and this chain 4 here counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 1. So now you're going to turn your work, and to make your V here, you're going to yarn over, go into this stitch here, that is the one that is on the chain 3, and you're going to make a double crochet there. So now that you have your double crochet there, you are going to chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th stitch you will be making your V there. So that's like the middle part of your shell there. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go back into that same stitch and make your V. So you completed your V there. Chain up 4, count 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, go in there and make your double crochet. Now that you have your double crochet, chain 3, yarn over and go back into the same stitch and complete your V. You're going to continue doing that right across until you get back to this part, and I'll show you what to do. So now I have come to my last stitch here, where we'll be doing our last V. So to do our last V, just as we did ours here on top of this stitch, we will be doing it on top of that chain 3. So you're just gonna flip over here and you're gonna see where you had your 3 chains here, sorry, your 3 double crochet. That's 1 2 3, and this one here would be our chain up stitch. So you're gonna yarn over, go into that stitch, make a double crochet, chain 1, go back into that same stitch and make a double crochet, and that completes row 3. Now that we have that row completed, we are going to go ahead and make another shell row. So you are going to chain up 1 2 3, turn your work, yarn over, go into that chain 1 space here, that V, and you're going to put 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Into the chain 4 space, you're going to make 1 single crochet. You're going to yarn over, go into the V space here, and make your 7 double crochet. That's 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. That completes our shell there. Moving along, chain up 4. That's 1 2 3 and 4, and repeat the same thing. Sorry, I did say chain up 4, sorry about that. You are going to make your single crochet, and then you will make your next shell. Sorry about that, guys. So that's 3 4 5 and 6 and 7. Single crochet, go into the next V here and make another set of 7. One, two, 3 4 5 6 and 7. That completes our shell there. So now we are going to do a single crochet, and just as we did here, we are going to make 4 double crochet into this V space to complete, just as it is on the other side. 2 3 and 4. So that completes this row here, which would be row 4. So there's 1 2 3 and 4. So you are going to continue making your rows up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple more rows, and you will see how nicely tied up tighten up your swatch here looks like. And if you want to make this into a scarf, you can go ahead and continue doing these rows up until you get to about 70 inches or 60 inches long, and you have a perfect scarf here. So I'm just going to go ahead, make up some more rows, and you can go ahead, feel free to rewind the video so you can see what we did before, and so you'll be able to make your stitches. So I'll meet back up with you. So guys, this is what our rows look like so far, and as I stated before, you can continue making your rows, repeating row 1 and row 2 until you reach to the desired length in your scarf. If you want to make a scarf, or if you want to just practice making the open shell stitch. So this is what it looks like. I hope that you love this tutorial, and I hope that you were able to make your stitches nicely as these are. So what you can do is when if you're gonna make a scarf, make sure that you finish your scarf off with the shell row instead of the V row, because that, you know how the V row looks already. So the shell row will finish off nicely. So you will just chain one, fasten off, and weave your tail end in. So again, this is what it looks like, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.